Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Xbox One. First, understand that resetting your console can often fix performance problems or prepare it for a new owner. There are two distinct reset options, each serving a different purpose. We will explore both methods, ensuring you choose the correct one for your specific needs. This guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely. The Reset and Keep My Games and Apps option is perfect for resolving minor software issues without losing your valuable game library. It essentially refreshes the operating system, leaving your installed content untouched. This saves you the significant time and effort of re-downloading hundreds of gigabytes of data. It's a quick and efficient first step for troubleshooting. For a complete fresh start, or when preparing your console for a new owner, select Reset and Remove Everything. This option performs a full factory reset, wiping all personal data, games, and settings from the hard drive. It ensures your private information is completely gone, providing peace of mind when transferring ownership. This is the most thorough reset available. To begin the reset process, first go to your Xbox home screen. From there, navigate to Settings, then select System, and finally Console Info. You will then see the Reset Console option. Choose either Reset and Keep My Games and Apps or Reset and Remove Everything, depending on your desired outcome. Confirm your selection to proceed with the reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.